Earl hooked up, and we're filming with the phone because the GoPro is froze. We've learned that below 20 degrees they about won't film. You gonna work him around?
Yeah. I'll back up if you.
Yeah, I can do it. I can help you. Alright, back up.
My anchor rope's that way.
I'll keep him coming up and you probably get him, start guiding him like a dog lead. There you go.
Much better.
Watch it. Eager. Burn a hole in our britches. Alright, we got things
Yes, sir, now.
under control. Keep him coming. Don't give him no slack because that rope is out there.
Yeah. I don't feel it yet.
Well, I hope we don't.
Making sure my drag don't freeze up because it was froze when we first. I'm not doing it. I'm not going to see that. He's pulling straight down. There he comes. No, I'm in it.
I'll hold this thing. Let me
Got it.
grab that.
Do some evasive maneuvering here, y'all. Maneuvers. Trying to get out of the anchor rope. Sometimes it's a team ordeal here.
We got him around. Woo! Big. Now let me get the net. No. Alright, he's staying down. He probably ain't no monster, but he's the best one we've got this morning. Here he comes. Oh yeah, he's a good fish. I'm gonna lay the phone down.
We back, y'all.
Yeah, buddy. Woo. Big Earl done laid the smack down on him. Yeah. And that's what you want here. A good old burp. Woo! Get her done. That's awesome, Earl. That's awesome. Alright, let me see the phone. Alright. There's Earl. That could be a winning fish. One fish tournament. Look at him. He's a nice fish, nothing to be ashamed of. We're not ashamed of it. We want a bigger one, but we're gonna put him in a live well and see if we can get a bigger one. Well, you can see that in there. I'm not sure where the sun is. See all that air we're putting in the water? We're pumping in fresh water now, but these might be good enough in there. I can stick some pump back in there. It'll recirculate with all that oxygen. There you have it. Alright, we're putting her back in the water. These boys had to bust ice and get it where we can put these fish back. I think it's 28.12. What it weighed.
Pretty little fish. Not really little. It's a pretty fish. There you go. The other way.
He said he didn't want no part of them ice cubes.
Yeah, no kidding.
I wouldn't want to go, would you?
No.
Alright, see you, buddy.
Good.